For decades, Sony have been known for making amazing quality headphones at great prices. So in this episode, we're going to be unboxing one of their latest offerings. Hello, I'm Aaron from Richer Sounds, and this week we're going to be taking a look at the Sony WFC500 wireless headphones. These tiny headphones offer amazing value for money and were given a full 5 stars in What Hi-Fi magazine. Great simple packaging from Sony, seems to be an all cardboard construction, really environmentally sound. You got some interchangeable earbuds in there as well, make sure you get the proper fit. You got your standard USB-A to USB-C charging cable there. Good to see that most manufacturers have moved away from mini USB now and they're embracing USB-C, really handy. Little hidden compartment back there with your instructions and safety tips and things. Really compact case, it's incredible to think that that thing holds 10 hours of battery life. Simple outer case, it's got that sort of slightly see-through plastic look which Sony favour. That little USB charging port there. Really efficient charging as well. If they run out and you get caught short, just a 10-minute charge will give you another hour of playback time. Really compact headphones, they only weigh about 5.4 grams each, so you barely even feel them in your ears. Really easy to use with any of your Bluetooth devices, but especially your phone as well. You've got that button on the side that you can just tap to answer calls. And there we have them, the Sony WFC500 wireless earphones. Currently, these are well under £100, so they give you phenomenal quality for the price. If you'd like to know more about them, or if you'd like to try any of the other headphones in our range, pop into your local Richer Sound store. You can see the store finder link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there are any products that you'd like to see me unbox in these videos, please leave a comment below. But thanks for joining me for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.